Guys, I just posted my video and I'm like so excited. Like, if you want to watch it, it's like either here or here, description too. I'm so excited. Tomorrow I don't have any school and hopefully I get to go to the mall with my friend. So I'll take you along with me. Okay, so it's the next day. I already got ready, if you can't tell, but I just need to get dressed. So I'm going to go to the mall with Alexis today. I'm pretty excited. Got Starbucks and I already finished it. All right, I'll see you in a second. Okay, so this is the outfit. I'm wearing like a F1 jacket from H&M. On the back it says like something, I don't know. I'm wearing some low-rise flares from Aeropostale. It has these super cute pockets, love that. And then just like a tote bag. Today I'm looking for like a white bag, specifically this one. Ooh. And hopefully I can find it. I've only found it in like brown and black and I really want white because the white bag that I have right now is like tiny, like it barely fits anything. Oh, glow sticks in here. Don't know why I have that. I can barely fit anything in there and I want to be able to put a bunch of stuff in there. Like I have this one, it fits a good amount of stuff, but sometimes I need a white bag. That's not a tote bag because as you can see this outfit is pretty light and if I have like a black bag it's gonna be too much of a difference. So yeah. Okay, we just arrived at the mall and I hopefully can go to Five Below and get like a cutesy little microphone so that the video quality or audio quality is better. Okay, I can't find the tiny microphone, so maybe like Target has it or another place. I don't know. I'm just gonna keep looking. We found the phones, so we're just gonna play with them for a little bit. Okay, we didn't find microphones, but Alexis got Starbucks, so you have to go pick that up. The microphone we found was $80. I could find one off of Amazon for 10. Okay, so right now we're just gonna walk around a little bit. If I find anything good, I'll probably just like record it. But yeah,
Starbucks.
Yeah, she got her Starbucks. Guys, should I get the parachute pants? They're 25% off. And should I get the gray ones? Oh, it keeps falling off. Okay, this is what the pants look like. I don't really know how I feel about them. They're pretty cool. They fit really well. They keep me very warm. But because I'm not 100% sure yet, I'm just gonna kind of walk around the mall and then if I'm still thinking about it, I will definitely come back and get them. Okay, so Alexis and I just got into Sephora and there's like an event happening and we spun and I won like an entire makeup bag. And what did you get?
I won a fancy face for thunder.
Oh my god, this is so cool. Okay.
I'm gonna play my birthday gift now.
Okay, so we are seeing this. It smells like cake. It's the best thing in the whole wide world.
I don't know. These two?
I have the 40 and the 71, but I might ask for the 59 for Christmas or something.
I think I have 6.
The body butter also smells like cake. I love it. Okay, we're in Forever 21 right now, and I found a really, like, this is the kind of bag I want, but I want it in white. So we're just gonna look around a little more.
We have it in denim, brown, black.
Yeah, just not white. I'm at H&M, and I found the Airy pants, but for like cheaper, and probably fits better too. So I'm gonna try it on, and then get back to you guys. So I found the bag, but it's kind of expensive and I think I could get it off of like Curtsy.
$20.
Yeah, and I think I could get it off like Curtsy or something for cheaper. So I will probably do that. Okay, so they're on. I think they're pretty cute, but they have like a greenish tint to it. And I feel like I would not be really able to style that pretty well. So I don't think I'm gonna get it. I can like always look online to see if there are better options. Cute, but I don't think I'm gonna get it. Or the Airy one. Okay, the shopping trip was really bad, but it's okay because I hung out with Alexis and we had fun. Hey guys, it's the next morning. I'm gonna do a get ready with me even though I'm running really late. I already used the e.l.f. primer. Now I'm going in with Rare Beauty concealer. Okay, I also wet my sponge so that it applies better. Okay, now it's time for blush, and then I used the Rare Beauty liquid blush. Yesterday I accidentally put way too much again, so today I'm just gonna do very little because I don't want to look like I got sunburnt. Okay, now that that's done, I am going to set everything. And I'm gonna grab my setting powder and just pat everything in. Okay, now I just curl my eyelashes. Okay, I'm really scared with curling eyelashes, so I don't really do it super much. I use the Olivia mascara. It's amazing, my favorite thing ever. It's like keeps your lashes natural, but it still like really accentuates them, and it's like has like a double wand, and it's pretty cool. So I'm just gonna get dressed and then I will be right back. Okay, so this is the outfit. I'm wearing like a Chevrolet crop top shirt kind of thing, and then gray jacket, and then baggy jeans. Today is kind of just like a very lazy outfit day because I didn't have anything planned and I'm already running really late, so I just decided to throw this on. Yeah. Okay, now I have to go eat breakfast and go to school. I just realized I'm not wearing my baggy pants, so I'm gonna go get changed. These are not baggy. Now I'm ready to go. It's after school and my tiny microphone arrived, and so did a PR package from Brilliance. So let's open it together. Okay, so they sent me this super cute note, and then they sent me some pimple patches. I know that Brilliance has like 3 different kind of pimple patches. They have the butterflies, the hearts, and the squares, and I got the square. And they sell their products in CVS, Walmart, Sephora UK. Look how cute! And I love how there are different sizes in case you have like different size pimples. And it also gives a cutesy little thank you note. So cute. Thank you again, Brilliance, for sending this to me. Okay, my makeup organizers just arrived, so let's set it up together. This is what it looks like finished. I was able to fit like everything in here. It's amazing. I have like my lash stuff here, skincare stuff here and here, and then I also have some perfume, and I also put pimple patches here, and then some like depuffing stuff, and then some lip products here, and then I also put hair stuff here, and then powder here. Okay, so if you can't tell, I'm in a cafe right now, but I decided to end the video here because I have another one that's coming up really soon, and I don't want this video to be too long because it's already kind of like 10 minutes-ish. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Yeah.